Typically, we have a lot of apps on our phones, on our smartphones, and many of those we never even use. They sounded like a good idea, or someone recommended them. We thought, oh, we should use them. So we download them, and there they sit taking up space. So the mini challenge, decluttering challenge for you today, if that's the case, is to take a few minutes and clean up your phone, your device. Get rid of the apps, delete them, the ones that you don't use, don't want to use, and free up space on your phone. It will be awesome. These challenges are meant to be quick, doable, simple, and helpful when you're stuck and you don't know what to do, but you know you want to declutter something. You want to get rid of some clutter and feel better. So there you go. I'm Jill Annis from Simply Organized, your compassionate, non judgmental organizing expert. If you want more information about how I can support you on your decluttering journey, check out the link below to my website. I'd love to have you take a look. And thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it.